Hello guys, today I'm doing another video. I am back and today we will be playing Hunger Games, the server, but we won't be playing it on Minecraft Pocket Edition. We will be playing it on Toolbox. And yeah, we will be, it looks the same as Minecraft, but as you can see in the bottom right corner it says launcher 2.1.16. Still the same as Minecraft, but it's got better stuff. Oh, the battery's low, guys, sorry. But we can still do the video. Yay! I'll see you in the game. As you can see, I'm in the game now. This. But look in the top right corner, I've got a mini-map. Wow. Yeah, this is what you get on Toolbox, and it's a very big help when you're on Hunger Games, because then you can actually see if people are coming while you're doing stuff. But the bad thing is, there you have the thing, but you're not going to be able to get that off. See, I edit, it disappears. But yeah, it looks very cool. So yeah. Anything else that I can show you guys? No, I don't want to get the diamonds. No. Yeah, you have all of these, and watch. I could fly. And yay. Okay, so let's get into a video. A game. Woo! So yeah, ant mound or nope, it'll have to be unless this is not here. Yep, we'll do this one. Okay, not that much people. Oh, there is kind of, but he stole John Cena's skin. Is it John Cena? Wait, it's not gonna be me, cause I'm better. I shook my booty in your face. I shook my booty in your face. Okay, so right now I'm going to tinker with the thing, and I'll see you guys when the tournament starts. Okay. See you when the tournament starts. Okay, tournament has started and I'm off to go this way. Luckily I'm heading away from everybody else. Never mind, I don't want to go that way. Okay, yeah, so the mini-map is working perfect. Now let's try and find the big giant round thing. This one just up there. Or is that a bucket of water? Why do you have to fool me? Why do you have to fool me so bad? Oh. Okay, who cares? We're now going to be finding our way. Oh, there's a glass border. This match is starting in 7 minutes. Okay, I don't see any kids on my map because no one's around me right now. So yeah, we're very lucky. What's this? Is this like a giant? Yes, we found the thing! Yay! We found it! Okay, guys, if you don't know what this has like lots of chests in it, and it works really good. So yeah, if you ever see this, always go onto it. See, I just see a chest. There's like lots of chests. Well, some. Oh my gosh, chargers, stay inside. I'm doing a video. Sorry. Maybe they left stuff in here. Maybe they left stuff for me. All for me. All for me. All for me. Ant-Man is best. Ant-Man is best. Ant-Man is best. Is the best. Is the best. So let's get out of this chest. Okay, good. I don't see anyone near me. That is a very great sign. I don't see this guy named Eric. Maybe if I crouch. Yeah. All chests have been refilled. Okay, that's a good sign. That's good. That's good. That's a good sign. Hey, that's good. That's good. That's a good sign. Hey, hey, that's good. Okay, that's Eric. Down there, and I don't see anyone else around me, so yeah. I'll be back once I get all these chests. Okay, Eric is back, and now I'm going to go kill him. I'm making a run. Okay, yep, he's following me. No! He killed me. Okay, I don't care about this game now. I'm going to go have a little walk around. Go show you guys what you could do if you don't want to play the game or you don't want to have a walk around. Or you want to go hide. Little Mermaid. Oh, Sally. I am so. It's a stray wolf. Arf? Someone caught you and called you Arf? Arf, 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 arf. Did you see that, guys? My game's glitching out. Let's go inside this cave. Can I not? Oh, it fooled me. But yeah, wow. So beautiful. Maybe I shouldn't be in over here. Let's see if we can go back. Okay, maybe this is why I shouldn't play the 3 AM. At 3 AM in the morning. There's ghosts! Where are the signs? What is happening? Okay, so if you want to play this server, don't wake up at 3 AM and then play Minecraft. I did that this morning, but for some reason now my game's glitching, and that's a bad thing. If you guys can't see this, it means you guys are blind. No, I'm just joking. You guys are the best. Please leave a like and subscribe in the description below. As always, stay happy. Woo! I'll just wait it out. Oh, wait, I just realized the time. Sorry guys, I have to end the video here. Well, I don't have to, but might as well, because there's nothing else that I could do under 4 minutes. So yeah, See you guys later. Bye bye. Leave a like and subscribe to me, please. It would help a lot. Bye. Thanks. I'll leave the IP address in the description below for the server. Yay. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Imgate. Bye.